Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. And a lot of you have been asking for my potato salad recipe, so today we're going to make it. First you're going to need 6 red potatoes. And I just like taking a little scrub pad and scrubbing them before I get them chopped up. Then you want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And I leave the skin on. After you get your potatoes all chopped up and your pot is full of water, you just want to add your eggs. And if you have fresh farm eggs, you can just tap the bottom, make a little indent, and put them in. Oop, that one busted all the way through. Looks like Chunky will get an egg. I normally do 6 potatoes and 6 eggs, but we'll do 5 eggs today. And then go ahead and add a little bit of salt to your water and turn it on high. Get it going. I've read that some of you are upset that Chunky is in a kennel and that that's cruel and we shouldn't have him in the kennel all the time, blah blah blah. Well, this is his training because he's trying to eat the cats. And I've had dogs previously that would try and get my cats, and normally keeping them on a leash for about a week wherever I go would do the trick, but this guy is determined he's going to eat a cat. So I talked to the rescue and she told me I could probably try putting his kennel in the living room and having the cats walk around him like they normally go about their day. So we're trying that method right now. He did try and munch out on Smudgy this morning, so he's stuck in here for a little while watching the cats. But he does go out, so y'all don't freak out. Hi, Chunky. Huh, you mad? I know. You can't eat my cats, though. Smudgy, did Chunky try and eat you? Once your potatoes and your eggs start boiling, you want to just turn it down a little bit so it doesn't boil over. And then let it cook for about 15 minutes, or let them boil for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, our potatoes are done. Just want to drain them. And then I take mine and I dump it back in the pot with the eggs. And then I just get a spoon and get the eggs out because it's going to be hot. There we go. And then just peel your eggs. Alrighty, after you've peeled your eggs, I use this handy dandy egg slicer. I just plop it in dump it. It's so easy. I watch my mom use a knife and chop her eggs up, but that is so easy. Next, you want to chop an onion pretty fine. Okay, so that's about how fine you want to chop your onion. That's how I do it. You can do it any way you want. If you like bigger chunks, use bigger chunks. So then you dump that in with your eggs. The next thing to go in is sweet relish. And I would say about 2 tablespoons. And I like mustard in my potato salad, and so does Joe. And I put a lot of mustard. Probably 4 or 5 tablespoonfuls. Next is oregano. And I use about a teaspoon of oregano. Next is your Cajun seasoning. Maybe about a teaspoon. Garlic powder. I would say about a teaspoon. Ooh. Onion powder. I'll say about a teaspoon of that. And just a few shakes of paprika. And then you want to mix it all together. Oh no, I forgot the main thing. And that is the mayonnaise. And you can only buy this mayonnaise in certain places. So if you live down south, you know what it is. If not, you will have to order it online, and I will put the name of the mayonnaise in the recipe, but I really think that the mayonnaise is what does it. Alrighty, I like to transfer mine to another bowl, cover it and put it in the fridge and let it chill. I like cold potato salad. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like this. Tell me what you think if you make it.